For dinner. I am starving. We're trying to go to this place called what? Coreanos? Corleanos. And it is Mexican food. So yeah, I'm so tired. I'm so hungry. Oh my god. Okay, I'll see you at the restaurant. We just stopped by. It's called Coreanos and they're actually done for the night. So we're trying to find other food because we're all starving. And yeah, at least in Taiwan there's a lot of restaurants, so it shouldn't be too hard to find something to eat. But yeah, we have to see what is still open, I guess, because it's actually quite late right now. But yeah, I guess we'll see where we end up. In our Airbnb now, we decided to come back and get some rest because all of us are quite tired, and I'm just gonna chill, shower, watch the World Cup a little bit, and then just go to bed. What do you want? But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I'll end the vlog here for now, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Now we are at a brunch place called Bear's Den for a late brunch. It's super rainy in Seoul right now. My feet are soaking wet still. And we've been sitting here for a while now. So I think today I'm just going to do only indoor vlogs. Earlier in Myeongdong, I stopped by the SM Town gift shop to go and buy Chinese skirt album and also some other little bits and bobs that they newly released. And then now we're just in Hongdae. We're gonna go to some cafes, I think, and just have a chill day before we head back to Gwangju. So yeah, let's see what we get up to today. The outside is sky blue, so first thing I thought was like, oh my god, I love it. I love the color. And then, yeah, it's super rainy. My feet are all soaking wet still, but we have two pieces of cake that we would like to try. One of them is Earl Grey, and the other one is a carrot cake. And then I ordered a roast tea to go with my cakes. So I'll let you know how they taste.
Will you stop?